What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Coding with T. This is our second video on food delivery app in which we will build an animated onboarding screen. Let me quickly show you the demo of today's tutorial. So in the last video I have already created this splash screen, and in this video we are gonna make this liquid style animated onboarding screen. Before we dive into the Android Studio technicalities, I would like to put it out there that if you want your own customized apps built by our team of professional developers, feel free to contact us. Our contact details are down into the description box. First of all, click here and click project. You have to add a new file here. I will name it to github.properties. We have to add two attributes in this file, a user ID and a key. Keep in mind that you must have a GitHub account for this purpose. Go to your browser and go to this link. I will provide all the links down into the description box. Instead of this, write your username and click enter. Your user ID will appear here. Copy this and paste it here. For the sake of key, you have to generate a token. Go to your browser and click here. Click on settings, scroll down and click on developer setting, then personal access token and generate new token. You have to write here something about your app, and then this checkbox must be checked. Click on generate token and copy this token, and finally paste it here, and then you can close this file. Now click here and click Android. Go to build.gradle project file, and we have to copy something from this link. Scroll down a little bit and copy this chunk of code and paste it here. Now go to build.gradle module app and copy this dependency, this one, and paste it here. We will also implement some design stuff, so you also need this dependency. If it is not here, one more thing, our Kuberto dependency is in Kotlin and we are building our app in Java. So we will also need these three dependencies. Sync the project. I'll link everything down into the description box. And now in the introductory activities XML, we will be able to implement liquid pager. Width and height should be match parent. And finally, give it some ID to, let's say, pager. If you are not able to see the rest of the views in your XML, simply add elevation to each of the view. 2 dB elevation should be fine, and we are done. So this is it for the first part of onboarding screen. You can use this liquid pager as your view pager, and we will carry on from here in the second part of the video. So stay tuned. I will see you guys in the next video.